Today's topic is to filter the negative values from a given dictionary. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. First is using the dictionary comprehension and the second is using the lambda and the filter method. Let's start from the first method, that is using the dictionary comprehension. First, we are going to initialize our dictionary. After that, we are going to use a dictionary comprehension in which we are taking the for loop in which we are taking the key and the values of our dictionary using the dictionary one.items. After that, we are setting in condition that if the value of our given particular element in the dictionary, if it is greater than or equal to 0, then we are storing the key and the value in our dictionary too. Else we are not storing the value, and after that we are printing it out. Now, as we can see, our dictionary comprises of three elements which are having the values negative, that is A, C and a EE, which are not shown in our output.